Just because your feet may be hidden in boots this winter, it doesn't mean that they don't deserve some care. After all, if you suffer from dry, split heels, you know how painful they can be. So this winter, we came up with the 5 best cracked heel repair creams that will keep your heels protected from cracks. So let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Who doesn't want baby soft feet? The foot cream from Cerave is a great choice for soothing roughness. It is formulated with 3 essential ceramides that help to restore and maintain its natural protective barrier. Salicylic acid and ammonium lactate help to loosen and exfoliate dead skin cells. An MVE-controlled release technology to help replenish ceramides and deliver long-lasting moisturization. This fragrance-free foot cream is gentle on skin and does not cause irritation. This product has earned many positive comments from users on Amazon, as it effectively smooths dry, cracked feet. But then again, some users were still disappointed with this product. How to use? Apply liberally as often as needed. Time to rate this product. We would like to give it 5 out of 5 stars when it comes to user acceptance and value. But the product is quite pricey, so we'll give it 4 stars on that. Are you looking for a fast-acting foot cream for your dry, cracked heels? The Eucerin Advanced Repair Foot Cream is a foot saver for you. It is formulated with ceramide 3 and natural moisturizing factors to help repair skin's moisture barrier. The formula is enriched with buffered alpha hydroxy to exfoliate for smoother feet and heels within 2 weeks. It is specifically designed for feet and gives dry to very dry feet the intense moisturization they need to be soft and smooth. This lightweight foot cream is fast absorbing, non-greasy, and is fragrance, dye, and paraben free. This cracked heel cream has received many positive reviews as users love how it absorbed instantly by the skin and feels so light. It also makes the skin soft and better according to their opinion, but a few of the users were disappointed with their purchase. How to use? Smooth over your feet daily. Now it's time to rate this product. In terms of user acceptance and price, this product gets 4 out of 5 stars. And in terms of value and price, we will gladly give it 5 out of 5 stars. The Flexitol Heel Balm is our next preferred heel cream for today's video, that is clinically proven to heal cracked feet without being too greasy. The balm is formulated with 25% Urea, which helps in moisturization and exfoliation of rough, dry skin. It contains lanolin that helps to restore and maintain the moisture balance of the skin to prevent drying and chapping. And aloe vera, which works as a natural healing agent that benefits dry and cracked skin. It provides you a fast relief while giving you thick and rich moisturizing and exfoliating foot cream that repairs and softens very rough, dry, callous, scratchy, ashy, cracked heels. Users are in love with the product and its results. They are amazed as it makes rough skin heal within 1 or 2 days. But besides all the positive feedbacks, a few users were not satisfied with this foot cream. How to use? Apply the balm twice daily to feet, paying special attention to dry, cracked, and thickened areas of the skin. Once desired results are achieved, apply once daily or as needed to maintain healthier, more attractive feet. Let's check out the ratings. In case of price and value, we will give this foot cream 5 out of 5 stars without any hesitation. And when it comes to user acceptance, we would like to give it 4 out of 5 stars. The PurSources Urea Foot Cream gives you baby soft feet in the easiest and quickest way possible. It is formulated with 40% of urea, which is used to reduce itching and prevent dry and scaly skin. The pure formula of this cream is incredibly effective, yet gentle on your skin, so it can be perfect for all cases and skin types. It helps to soothe and soften thick, cracked skin and remove the calluses effectively. It deeply moisturizes your feet while preventing water loss and promoting new cell growth. The PurSources Urea Foot Cream is absolutely admired by users as it absorbs quickly and makes your calluses soft and smooth without being dry. But a few users didn't really like the product. How to use? Apply as needed to dry skin areas twice per day or as directed by a physician. Gently rub it into the skin until the cream is completely absorbed. Now let's take a look at the ratings. This foot cream comes with a great value and formula while being quite affordable. So we would like to give it a total of 5 out of 5 stars. Are you suffering from extremely dry and calloused feet? Then the Okeeffes Healthy Feet Cream is the lifesaver for your cracked feet that will revive and repair extremely dry, cracked heels. It is formulated with a combination of high levels of allantoin, paraffin, and glycerin that helps to penetrate thicker and rougher surface skin on the feet. The blend of this healing cream moisturizes your feet while exfoliating the skin. It also creates a protective layer on the skin surface that instantly boosts moisture levels and helps prevent further moisture loss. Within a few days, you will feel the difference. This heel cream is one of the highest selling foot creams on Amazon, and it earned a huge number of reviews and ratings from its users. They loved the amazing results of the foot cream as it works on extremely dry feet. Though besides thousands of positive reviews, some users were dissatisfied with the product. How to use? Apply the foot cream to exfoliated skin at bedtime and after bathing, as these are the most effective times for moisturizing extremely dry feet. Now it's time to rate this heel cream. We really love the formula of this product and also couldn't get over the overall goodness it delivered. Plus, it's a reasonable option for buyers, so we would like to rate this product 5 out of 5 from all 3 aspects. Those were our top 5 cracked heel creams. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.